Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and we are reviewing Fabfitfun box for spring today. I literally just got it 2 days ago, and I'm gonna tell you about all the products that are inside of my box and how I ended up getting the products that I did. Even though the box seems to be smaller this time, it's a little bit more on the square side. This is what the spring box looks like. I'm pleasantly surprised with the products that I got inside. So you know how I bitch about the winter box last time, and I didn't pre-customize my box, so I actually got a lot of stuff that I had no use for. I wasn't happy with it. I love when I get makeup and skincare. These are the main reasons why I decided to sign up with Fabfitfun. So this time I got an email about customization, and I actually put it on my calendar, and this time everything inside of my box is skincare. Couldn't be more happy about it. So without further ado, let's see what we have. I'm gonna give you pricing, original pricing if I had to pay for it. So just so you know, the membership is like what, $49 or $45. I have to double check that, but you get 4 boxes a year, and this is my spring box. This time I'm pretty excited, and I want to share all that with you. First on our list is a hair mask by CHRISTOPHE, revitalizing mask, and the price on this is $69. What it does, it helps really color treated and distressed dry hair, replenishes the moisture. You should put it on a wet hair after you wash it, keep it for 5 minutes, massaging it in, and then wash it off. I do it a little bit differently. I take a little bit of that mask, and right after I dry my hair with the towel a little bit, I take a very little amount in my fingers, and I actually massage it into my hair. And the funniest thing is, my hair did not get oily from it. And honestly, if you didn't know what heaven smells like, this is the smell. This is one of the best fragrances for my hair products I've ever gotten. And I like some of my hair, you know, shampoos or conditioners and leave-in conditioners and whatnot. This beats it all. Not only that, it actually helps my my hair to stay hydrated and not looking dry, but the smell when I apply this on my hair and I start massaging it a little bit, it's like aromatherapy in my house. Everybody loves the smell of it, and my mom even tried to steal this box from me once. So that's, if you had to purchase it, it would be $69. So it's pretty pricey, but honestly, I'm not sure if I'm quite sure I'm going to be probably purchasing it at some point once I run out of this. Next item on our list is Kate Somerville EXFOLIKATE, intensive exfoliator for your face, and the price on it is $28 if you had to purchase it. Haven't tried it yet, but I really like facial exfoliators. You obviously have to use it on clean face. Massage it in for 2 minutes. You can leave in for 2 minutes, maybe twice a week. That's what they ask you to start with, and it's supposed to clarify your pores, tighten the skin a little bit, refresh it. So if you have a dull complexion, that should help with it a little bit. It should brighten up your skin, and it should keep it hydrated. And they're saying after using it, once you wash it off and you apply your moisturizers, it seems like the moisturizer get absorbed better by the skin. So again, $28 if you had to pay for it. Pretty excited about trying it. The smell is also very nice. It's a simple little tube. It's only 2 ounces of fluid, so pretty pricey again for a small exfoliator, but I've heard a lot of good things about it, so I cannot wait to try it. Item number 3 on our list is actually, it's a tan Miracle Living conditioner for your hair, and this one is called COILY. It's supposed to enhance natural curls, restore shine, defines curls, defreezes and tames flyaways, instant detangling, creates silkiness, nourishes hair. It's a lightweight formula, helps reduce breakage. My hair is naturally wavy. It's not like I have beautiful curls, but this helps me to define it. I've had this one before, and the price is $27 for this That's a 4-ounce bottle, so if you had to pay for it, it would be $27, $28 depending on where you're buying it. So again, getting it in this box, definitely a great deal because it's a really, really good product. Again, I use some other products from this line, so I know. I've tested it on my hair, on my scalp, and it smells nice, and it's a very, very good product. Product number 4 on our list is the Pharmacy Honey Halo Moisturizer. This moisturizer takes care of really dry skin, but also it's great for aging skin. It definitely minimizes appearance of fine line if you use it consistently. Amazing hydration, fragrance, oh my god. It smells like honey a little bit, but in a good way, not like sticky, sweet, disgusting honey. It's like on the sweeter side, but it's very, very nice. The cover is magnetized, so the spoon that it comes with, spatula that the moisturizer comes with, you're not gonna lose it like with some other products that it happened to me. And I don't know if my son did it or if I really lost it, but every time I get a nice little spoon with the product, it goes missing after 2 days of me using that moisturizer or serum or whatever. So the fact that it stays on glued to it like that, it's pretty cool. If you had to pay for this cream, so this is 1.7 ounces and this one cost $45. If you went with the bigger size, which is 3.4 ounces, you would have to pay $69. So again, worth your bucks. Great moisture replenishment, and it locks the moisture in on the top of that, so highly recommended. You just use it night and day however you want to. I've had this cream before, absolutely love it. A little bit on the pricier side for me for an everyday moisturizer, but you know, if you're looking for something for extremely dry skin, this would be it. Next product on my list is a WINKY Luxe lip oil, and it costs $18 at a store. It looks like it has like gold particles in it, and it's nicely hydrating, and it plumps your lip a little bit without any tingling sensation. Again, this is the bottle. I honestly, you know, for me it's going to be just another lip product. I have my favorite lip product, so it's hard for me to find something that would beat what I'm using right now. But hey, it's never like, you know, another lipstick, another lip balm, another lip oil. You can never have enough of that, so you can definitely enjoy this little lip oil. Again, if you had to buy it, it would be $18, so it's pretty pricey for a little bottle of lip oil. However, it came free with the box, in a box, so I'm gonna obviously use it. So next item on my list is Earth Harbor. It's Glow Juice by Earth Harbor, and it costs $48. This is what this looks like. And what it's supposed to do is to gently resurface, smooths, hydrates, refines, clarifies. It's good for your pores. It's good to diminish the appearance of fine lines. It softens the skin. And my part that I'm really interested in, it says that it's gently resurfaces skin. So obviously it's not going to work like a laser that I'm trying to make my decision whether or not to do, but I'm actually pretty interested in skin resurfacing. So I want to see what this works like. I have not tried it. I maybe will make the update on that if I like it, and if I see the difference after I use the whole jar. Again, this would cost you $40. You get it free with this box, and this one is 2 ounces of fluid. So small little box, but I'm very curious to see how it's gonna perform. And the last item that I had in my box is actually Londontown Cuticle Cream in pan, in the form of pan. This is what it looks like. It costs $20, so I actually have been trying it for 2 days. My cuticles are not the cutest, so I wanted to find something. It has this tip. You just press it like a pen, and then you just apply it over you kind of brush it onto your cuticles like this, right? And then what I do, I actually also massage it in a little bit, so I would take probably 2 minutes, 3 minutes to do it. Again, this is the first time that I'm trying it. I don't see the results yet because it's been just 2 days, but I'm pretty curious to see if it's going to make my cuticles look a little bit less visible. So that's it. I had 7 items in my box, and the total came to $247. So this is exactly what they promised that the box would be. So if you actually are trying to do it and you want to subscribe with Fabfitfun, don't get me wrong, they have a lot of amazing products, and I got a chance to try so many really cool products that became the staple to my makeup routine and skincare routine. But please make sure that you customize your box. So check your emails from Fabfitfun. I know they send a ton of email, but one of those emails going to tell you when the customization starts. So I would highly encourage you to do it, because then if you don't, then you're going to end up with a box that you might not necessarily like. That's exactly what happened to me last time, but this time I'm pretty happy with what I found in the box. All of it is skincare, what I live for, and so I'm very happy I was able to do this review for you. Like I said, I haven't gotten a chance to try all the products yet, but they all are very highly recommended, and honestly probably really good products. So that's it. That's all I prepared for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please click the like button if you can, and subscribe. I appreciate it so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.